Hi everyone! Welcome to my vlog. Another video, another panty haul. So guys, for today's video, of course, I have a new undies. Of course, I want you the mall and bullet. Okay. So this one guys, I have one pack of undies. Of course, dalawa lang kukunin natin. This is XL. Kasi yung nakaraan large yung kinuha ko. So now, I get XL. So dalawa ang kukunin natin. Okay. So this one guys, ayan, there is a black, white and, gray, white and red, ayan, white and red, and then this one is brown, gray, kita yung gray, sorry na, color blind ako siguro, this is gray guys, ayan, with hearts inside, yeah. Heart yung kanyang mga, yung dot dyan, that is heart, okay? So, ayan, ito ang pinaka the best color for me. Yung ano siya, brown, gray. Gray, yung parang, yung gray na is parang, basta gray, parang gray. Ganitong kulay guys, I like this kind of color, okay? Then pink naman yung kanyang, kanyang gilid, okay? But this one also is nice, red and white, parang gray. Basta white siya, okay? So, unahin muna natin to. This one is a very nice one. Ayan. Okay, ganyan siya sa loob. This is large also. And then, very, very cute. Ayan, ganyan siya sa likod. Ganyan sa harap at ganito sa likod. Okay? This is really cute. Let me know which one is better. This one or the second one. Okay. This one naman, I like it also. Ganyan siya sa harap. Likod. Wow, the quality is good. Okay, I really like this. Okay? And ganyan sa harap. So, very nice. Very, very cute also. Ayan, susuot natin to. XL na talaga yung binili ko kasi tumaba na naman ako. And then, parang magamit ko rin siya. Okay? Suot na natin to guys. I'm so excited to wear this. Let's go! So, ito siya guys. Very cute, very nice yung kanyang quality guys. Ayan. Maganda siya. Sorry for my tummy kasi nataba na ako. I have belly in my tummy. Ayan. So guys, ganyan nga. Maganda yung kanyang quality. Very like it. I like it. If you are new to my channel, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Ayan. Ganyan sa sarap and then ganito siya sa likod. Very nice, very cute. Ayan. Maganda siya sa likod guys. Pakita ko. Ayan. I really like it. XL na to, kaya magagamit ko to. I can use this for everyday wear also. Maganda siya. I like the quality. Dito sa kabila. Ganyan siya guys. Very cute. Maganda. I like it so much. Ayan. Suot natin ang isa guys. Let me know which one is better. This one or the red one. Comment heart if you like my video. Salamat po. Ang kanyang, guys. The red one is very cute and very nice. Ayan. I really like it, of course. And then, ganito din siya sa likod. Ay, maganda pala yung quality niya. As in, I really like the quality. Very cute siya. Ayan. Bagay sa akin yung kulay. And then, ganito din siya sa likod, guys. I like it. Ayan, ganyan yung likod niya, pak. Maganda siya guys, I like it. Ayan, ganyan din siya guys, dito. Maganda siya. I like it guys. Comment heart if you like the video. Thank you very much. Ganyan siya. Make sure you do subscribe because I do upload. Or you can join to my membership. I have new membership videos there every day. Thank you for watching everyone. Sending love and kisses.